This video I will explain what is an AI agent. An AI agent is a software program that can understand a goal, make decisions, perform actions, and complete tasks. In simple words, an AI agent acts like a digital helper that can do work for you. A normal AI usually answers questions. An AI agent can take actions to complete a task. Now we will see the simple real life example. Imagine you tell your assistant, book a train ticket for tomorrow. Your assistant checks available trains, finds suitable options, select a train, and complete the booking. The assistant performs several steps to finish the work. An AI agent works in a similar way. Why do we need AI agents? Many tasks involve multiple steps. For example, booking tickets, ordering food, scheduling meetings, sending emails, and searching information. Instead of asking the AI multiple questions, an AI agent can handle the entire process. This saves time. Now we will see how does an AI agent work. Step 1. Receive a goal. The user gives a task. For example, find the cheapest flight. The AI agent understands the goal. Step 2. Collect the information. The agent gathers information. For example, flight prices, available seats, and travel dates. Step 3. Make decisions. The agent compares the available choices. For example, cheapest option, fastest option, best timing. The agent decides which option is suitable. Step 4. Take action. The agent performs the task. For example, books the ticket, sends an email, creates a report. The goal is completed. Now we will see the difference between AI agent and a normal AI. A normal AI mainly answers questions. An AI agent performs tasks. A normal AI gives information. An AI agent takes actions. A normal AI usually works one step at a time. An AI agent handles multiple steps automatically. With normal AI, you control every step. With an AI agent, the agent handles many steps for you. Chatbot is a simple example of normal AI. A booking assistant is a simple example of AI agent. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine you enter a restaurant. You say, I want a dinner. A waiter asks several questions. The waiter takes the order. The waiter brings the food. The waiter completes the task. The customer goal is completed. In this example, the waiter behaves like an AI agent. The restaurant menu acts like a information. Now we will see the example travel agent. Suppose Ravi says, find a hotel in Chennai for tomorrow. The AI agent searches the hotels, compares prices, checks ratings, and suggests suitable options. Some advanced agents may even complete the booking for you. Now we will see another example, email assistant. You say summarize today's emails. The AI agent opens emails, reads messages, finds important points, and creates a summary. Now we will see one more example, customer support. A customer asks, where is my order? The AI agent checks the order database, finds the shipment details, and gives the status. The customer receives an answer immediately. Now we will see important components of an AI agent. First one, goal, the task that needs to be completed. For example, book a ticket. Second one is memory. Some agents remember previous information. For example, the agent remembers your preferred airline. Third one, decision making. The agent chooses the best action. For example, selecting the cheapest flight. Fourth one is action. The agent performs work. For example, sending an email. Where AI agents are used. AI agents are becoming common in many industries. Examples include customer support, banking, healthcare, education, travel, shopping, and software development. Many companies use AI agents to automate the work. Can AI agents work together? The answer is yes. Sometimes multiple AI agents work together. For example, One agent searches information. Another agent analyzes the information. The third agent creates the final report. This is called a multi-agent system. Simple meaning: several digital workers cooperate to finish one task. What are the benefits of AI agents? First one, save time. Tasks finish faster. Second one, work 24 hours. Agents can work anytime. Third one, reduce repetitive work. Routine tasks become automated. Fourth one, increase productivity. More work can be completed. Fifth one, improve customer service. Customers receive faster responses. Are there any limitations? AI agents also have limitations. First one, wrong information can cause mistakes. Second one, complex situation may require humans. Third one, agents may need proper instructions. Fourth one, security and privacy remain important. Human supervision is still useful. Now we will see the simple daily example. Suppose Priya wants to plan a trip. She tells the AI agent, plan a one-day trip to Mysore. The AI agent finds the places to visit, suggests the hotels, recommends restaurants, and creates a travel plan. The user receives the complete result. Now we will see the summary. AI agent is a digital assistant that performs a task. The agent receives a goal. The agent collects information. The agent makes decisions. The agent performs actions. AI agents can handle multiple steps. AI agent saves time. Many businesses use AI agents. Several agents can work together. Human supervisions remain important. In simple words, an AI agent is like a smart digital worker that understands your goal and performs tasks to help you.